And the data is not small. It is almost 6 GB data per month is what we give them if they are utilizing the SIM card under any Wi-Fi services of ours, which are in various parts of the island. Apart from that, on every 5 TALA recharge you get 1 GB free of cost every time, unlimited time, as many times as you want to. So these are the things, like if you look at it, even if a student recharges say 4 times in a month, so practically he gets more than 10 GB data, which is more than sufficient to study within the website and outside the website. In any case, as I said, the educational sites are already free of cost. Apart from that, we have also offered to host various servers in our office, which has a capacity of providing you more than 30 gigs of per second speed, which can take care of your entire systems, and people can study freely and the government can benefit out of it. We did some calculation in terms of the value of this. The value of this product, actually, if it is used 100% by each and every student on the island, is going to cross more than 19 million TALA, and spread over a period of time from today till December 31st. And I'm also happy, as Honorable Minister just asked, that is it restricted only till 31st December 2020? Of course not. That if students of Samoa needs, if education system of Samoa demands, we will continue this partnership, and we will be not behind when it comes for the growth of the students. So these are the few things which we did, and but at the same time, once again, I'll say this would not have been possible without a very big support from Nisha from UNESCO, and our CEO of MESC and Honorable Minister of MESC. So thank you so much, Fafe Tailawa, to all of you, and I wish all the students grab your SIM card now if you're not, avail this benefit of such a great offer, and come out with the flying colors. And this COVID-19 should not be seen as a problem, but rather we can convert each problem into opportunity. And with the help of Vodafone, I request all parents to come forward, grab your SIM card from MESC office and even from our office directly, and ask for a student SIM, and all student SIM will get the same benefit. So wish you all the best, and I wish all the students a great future and great studies. Fafe Tailawa, thank you so much once again.
Honorable Minister of MESC, Apmasanga, CEO of MESC, Satish, CEO of Vodafone. We never imagined that we would sign an agreement in this environment. So this itself, the setting itself is quite unique. And I'm very pleased that though a crisis faced the entire education system, the education system responded to it quite proactively. And in this regard, I would like to acknowledge the leadership that MESC, particularly CEO MESC, and Honorable Minister yourself, you have provided in terms of converting what Satish mentioned as a crisis into an opportunity. And this is setting the tone for digital transformation of Samoa. Students do not take time to adapt to technology. They're curious. They adjust very easily. And if the education system converts to using online and offline resources, it is able to provide richer resources to the students, teachers, and parents. From UNESCO, of course, I'm very pleased because sitting here, I'm representing my organization, UNESCO, but also the Global Coalition for response to COVID-19. And this global coalition comprises of now over 100 partners, including the UN organizations, private sector entities, of which Vodafone is now a part, and civil society organizations. Many governments are backing it, they are behind it. And this coalition is aiming to do a number of things. Different partners have different capacities and they're bringing their resources, like Vodafone has brought its ICT resources to serve the education agenda in Samoa. The coalition is coordinated by UNESCO, and in this capacity we play 4 roles. First one is to mobilize. So mobilization of partners like Vodafone, who have the resources, partners like MESC, who have the needs. We coordinate. Some of the resources may not be only with those who are present in the country. For example, UNICEF is also a coalition partner. They have financial resources, so they can bring in to serve the country and the ministry or the larger education community. We match. So for example, in the beginning of our discussions, we had meetings to identify what the needs of the education sector in Samoa are, what needs Afama Sangha is identifying. And then we match that with the resources that the partner has. In this case, Vodafone has. And finally, we are coming to the point where the 4th role begins. And through the signing of the agreement today, the 4th role will fall on the Vodafone's shoulders, which is to provide. And it means now the first 3 steps, they're not concluded, but they have brought us to this point. And the actual provision of services begins. So this opportunity is quite momentous, not only for COVID-19 response, but for the digital transformation of Samoa. And I acknowledge, appreciate, and thank the leadership on both sides, both ends of this table, for their foresightness and their ability to bring the partners together. Thank you very much.
On behalf of the Samoan government, I am pleased that we have here for the signing of the global education coalitions between Vodafone, UNESCO and MESC to address the challenge that the COVID-19 brings to our education system. Due to the limited resources and sudden disruptions in the National Education Plan, Samoa called upon the United Nations to assist and to mobilize resources for the country during this crisis. Vodafone has then agreed to be part of the global coalitions for education and has offered its serious base and is offered its services based on the needs identified and expressed by the Ministry of Education, Sports and Culture to minimize the impacts of the global pandemic COVID-19 on the school system's disruptions. The Ministry has been working tirelessly to ensure resources are available for online learning. The support that the Vodafone provides therefore makes it possible for these resources to reach our students in the homes where they are confined during school closure. In saying this, the government of Samoa conveys its sincere appreciations for the support and the partnerships that you have provided in these critical times. With the limited resources and capacity that the ministry has, working in partnerships is the way forward to enable the learning and educations that our students and people deserve. Signing of this MOU today will enhance partnerships to achieve delivery and contribution of high quality education and trainings to meet the national, economic, social, and cultural goals of SAMOA. And I thank you very much.